Most of the people don't fail interviews because of lack of skills. They fail interviews because the fear takes control. So what is this fear, why it is taking control? So every time your subconscious mind feeds when there is a fear with an action and a situation. So you went for an interview for the first time. Okay, you prepared so well and you went for the interview, and interviewer was asking you all the questions and suddenly you got rejected. Now the fear and action and the situation is programmed in your subconscious mind. The very second time when you go for an interview, what happens is, even though you know all the answers, you know everything, it is coming into your mind, but it's not coming from your mouth because the fear has taken control. Fear is so powerful. So let us overcome this fear. So to overcome this fear, I'm going to guide a technique. Take a paper, list down what is that fear coming inside me for going for an interview. Am I need to build learn something for that position, or I will be rejected again, or what is that fear? Write down the points. Like, write down the points, like, just observe yourself, what are the points that are stopping me to crack the interview. So after writing those points, to connect with your subconscious mind, you can only connect with your subconscious mind in front of the mirror. You stand in front of the mirror. Take all your fears list and say each and every one. Say one point and say, I'm taking away my power from you. I'm taking away my power from you. Write down this statement. It's a very, very powerful statement because you're giving power to the fear. That is why you're always keep on programming the fear inside you. So now you say the first fearful point in front of the mirror and say, I'm taking away my power from you. Say for all the list. If you are writing 10 points, say for each point separately in front of the mirror. Do it for 21 days. After 21 days, it is programmed in your subconscious mind. Here, next time when you go for an interview, you will not get these points again. You don't be fearful. You don't judge yourself. So fear will be overloaded when there is a judgment inside you. There are a lot of judgments are coming quickly, and you can't even say word outside. Everything is in your mind, but words are not coming out. This is what happens in the interview. So practice this technique and then install new programs. So for installing new programs, stand in front of the mirror and say, I am confident. I am confident, and say this powerful affirmation. My work and services are in huge demand. My work and services are in huge demand. Say this affirmation in front of the mirror and see the magic in your life. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.